Okay, we made the thumbnail. Now we can sit down, enjoy our delicious food. Do we got ranch?
Do you have ranch?
Yeah. Let me put this in here. Okay. Yeah, my sister did make up the store. Yeah, I collected it. I don't like picking the same color.
But I think we got dipping sauce.
I got
this dipping sauce though.
Ranch.
See how it tastes.
Okay. So, oh, this is blue. Let me set that for so. Because we still have that. It's blue. Let's do that.
Why are you drinking it like that?
It's gorgeous. Yeah, she want to try it with ranch.
Oh, thanks.
It smells like ranch dip, and we put Balkies. Okay, yeah. We're gonna try that.
Oh, something hot.
Oh, yeah, I can't even.
Oh, my finger hurts so bad. I got tired watching TV.
You're not going to be in our video. You need to go watch it. Because this is why you said that. That's not done yet.
That, don't I can say that.
I can't touch me.
Come down. You see, either go upstairs or living room. And if you go in the living room, go the other way. I'm sorry guys, but she just could tell my hair is too much and I can't handle it. What's wrong?
We're going to drink that.
Orange juice.
Yeah, man. I got a blue hoodie drink.
Corner in here.
What?
Nothing.
I'm a replay that. I'm gonna return what you did.
So good. She loves PJ Masks, but then when we told her PJ Masks was on and we wasn't recording, she was like, "Daddy, I'm so excited!" And then when we started recording, and she seen us, and then she was like, "I'm getting sick of PJ Masks," and I was just like,
No, you're not.
"No, you're not," because how you overreact when we told you PJ Masks was on, you would think
Hey,
no.
now you want me to tell you about. I know how to use chopsticks because
She watched Mama Tang, Grammy, and
just because I watch them, that doesn't mean that they don't teach you how to use them.
Mama Tang did.
I don't have to use them because one time. Oh my god. I hate like Chinese food. So I said to the
You like a mess.
I said to the chopsticks. What she said? Just go. And I went that day how to use them. And I didn't watch them because I didn't know them at the time. We didn't know Korean.
Big the
No, it's not Korean. I don't know about swimming.
Oh, we should have done the vlog on your birthday. We had so fun. We went swimming. We had all black and white. And my hair was just on fleek. Right now I look like
My hair
Dottie.
My hair was on fleek too. I see you.
I said,
He said it was.
Ow, the freak!
Stop doing that!
Oh, that was an
It
accident.
burned because it fell all over me. I drink to the food. Just look. All that put salt in there, it burned.
Girl, you did that already.
I know I said it burnt to me. But this is what I was doing after. No.
Are you even using this?
Yeah.
What's the sauce that Mommy Tim always uses? It's something Mommy something. I do like that.
Mother like kimchi?
That's how you know. If I put you in there, she'll be right there. Ask the question. And I already know.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do an unboxing phone video. It costs like $700. This is not awesome. They want to watch. I don't know how much an iPhone costs really. Actually, I don't know how much it costs. I thought she was gonna be asleep. Mariah, the phone.
I don't see anything. What about you, Catboy? No, I don't see anything. We have a little surprise.
You don't got to like that. Girl, sit down. Yeah, so got this peppery spring chicken. We don't know what it is, but I think it's the same. I don't like this way. Then so that's the you should try out the new phone. And they said it's like this gift or something cost it. I could do a phone, but they said it cost $700. I told them that this is the iPhone, and they said that look what is inside, but I think it's an LG, but we haven't looked in here yet. So we'll be right back, y'all. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, y'all. I'm a little full, but I'm not sure that. Yeah.
I was gonna say, did you crack the phone?
I think it's a phone. That's probably just a phone. Yeah, but that put type out his opportunity. They wanted to do us to do first.
It's gonna be a giveaway on my Instagram. Just go follow me on my Instagram and be in the link down below. And then you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, because we're not gonna keep it.
Oh, okay. Also, you have to subscribe and comment down below and like all my pictures on my Instagram, so that I know who gonna win the prize. Cause I need to see the names, and you can't see the names.
But be careful for scammers. They will pretend they're you just to get your shout out we got. Cameras.
What they do?
Y'all, I didn't see how much there is to take, so we're gonna do it again. Hey, y'all better make subscribe if y'all want to. When this, y'all better be subscribe and stuff, because we don't know if they're going to take the red away, but we're gonna ask them if they upload this video. If we don't upload the video, then we will. You guys want it?
Oh my goodness! I'm back and I'm taking over because these are so food and I'm not gonna.
Well, I'm full. Still got 6 minutes.
I have to say, PJ Masks is kind of good. I was sitting there watching TV.
Yeah. I'll
I
watch.
had Ninjalinos.
I don't watch PJ Masks. No, I don't.
No, I do not. Like no PJ Masks. I'm fun with it.
You looked at me like,
All the way. Oh wait, dude.
can I open
I'm
it?
going outside real quick.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, where's the phone now? I was like, where's the phone? It's all right. Yeah, I'm going to go place. Yeah, yeah. I don't know what that is. Wow. $100.
I want to thank you guys for sending my name is Emily.
Okay. Good. I have one down. So, look at this. Oh, yeah.
Promise, you need to move.
Well, what's that thing?
Move your face.
Good! Yeah. Don't stop, see how big it is. Yeah, there's characters.
What's your name?
We're gonna get this phone on for y'all to like the year. No, yes, we're gonna get this phone on for y'all. For a year, y'all. I don't think y'all can see this, but y'all know. We gonna send this to y'all, but you guys to be a subscriber. Yeah, I need to go. I'm getting my hair done by a professional stylist wife like this, y'all. Yes, y'all. So, this is it. It feels so soft. Yes. So yeah, I'm just so like, my mom like to see her like that, cause I don't know, like, she is like more like we see a lot of swimming, and they don't have to clean up every children.
It's been heaving. That's
It's not a children.
why is the table here?
We got the first story. Then, yeah, I might take it back, but yeah.
You got what?
We got a third story house. This is like the ugly upstairs, up to the third story pretty. But yeah, we're gonna make this the video wrap. I'm sorry guys, you might say the rest